episode. So last time we looked at a bit of application of indices in expressing linear equations. Now, before we go to other forms of equation, other aspects in subsequent videos we're going to have, let's look at this. Let's play with indices a little more. All right, so we have evaluate 64 raised to the power of half plus 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Everything raised to the power of 2. So what do we do in this? All right, 64. The easiest way we can do it is this. Now, 64, we have half. What does that tell us? That means it's telling us there's a law in indices that says if we have something like we have A, all right, raised to the power of B over C, okay, or A raised to the power of 1 over C, 1 over C. It means the C root of that number. So if the C can either be square root, if it's 2, if it's 3, that is the cube root of that number. Alright, so in this case we have 64 half. So what does that tell us? That tells us the square root of what? 64. And the square root of 64, a number you multiply by itself 2 times, that will give you 64. That number is what? 8. 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now, another way you can find that square root if you are confused on what to do. Let's say you don't know square root that much. You can find the LCM of 64. You can do it this way. 64 LCM. 2 can go, that is 32. 2 can go 16. 2 can go 8. 2 can go 4. 2 can go 2. 2 can go, we have 1. So how many 2s do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that we can also write this 64 half as 2 raised to the power of 6. There's half outside. Half. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. And we are left with 2 raised to the power of 3, which will also give us what? 8. Another way to do it, which is 2 times 2 times 2, 8. Now for 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3, meaning the cube roots of 125, a number that will multiply by itself 3 times, that will give us 125, and that number is 5. But in case you are not good with cube roots, you can also apply that same method. LCM of 125. 3 cannot go, so we start with 5. 5 in 12 is 2. Remember 2. We put the 2 here. 5 in 25 is 5. 5 in 25 is 5. And 5 in 5 we have 1. So how many 5 do we have? 5 raised to the power of 3. So that you can have 125, 1 over 3, equals to 5 raised to the power of 3 into 1 over 3. And that means 5 raised to the power of 3 times 1 over 3. 3, 3. What do we have? 1. 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5. So our final answer, we have 64 half gave us 8 as the answer, plus 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3 gave us 3 as the answer. Everything raised to the power of 2. So what is 8 plus 3? 11. 11 squared, that should give us 121 as the final answer. See you in the next episode. Please like and share this video so that many students can see the simplicity of mathematics. God bless you all.